And trust me, this is not new. Muslims understand whatever sickness we're going through, it's not new. Habib, the teacher, the master, he came to teach. He came to cure the society of all of its sicknesses. But unfortunately, we're made to believe that the Sunnah is 1400 years old. Brother, we're living in a different time, in a different place. La wallah, it's the exact same diseases. The Prophet walks into the masjid one day, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, yes? Walks into the masjid and finds the Sahaba wrestling. So they all, wow, embarrassing. And then he asks, he says, what are you doing? Please, please. Didn't the Prophet know what they're doing? But the hadith is not just for them, it's for every Muslim to the day of judgment. And they tell you Islam is ancient. Habibi, Islam is contempt. So he walks in, he sees them wrestling. He says, what are you doing? Let it go. Khalas, he walked in, we've stopped wrestling, leave it. Because he's the doctor, he's the teacher, and he's there to cure the sicknesses of societies. So they said, Ya Rasulullah, we're wrestling. Then he asks, why are you wrestling? Look at the salt now. Now the salt is straight to the wound. So they said, Ya Rasulullah, we're wrestling to see who of us, who amongst us is who's the Rijal, brother? They're not doing anything haram. Rasulullah knows that they want. But he was worried about something far deeper. So what does he say? He said, the Rijal, the man amongst you is not the one that can physically put down the other. Any meathead can do that. That's not how we determine who the Rijal is. The man amongst you is the one who, when a musibah, when a calamity happens, he can control his anger and his wrath. He can control it. He's patient. This is the man.